Yes.
Yeah, you're the bitch. Oh, you met Ricky, right?
Oh, sorry.
This one, he be waking me up in the morning all the time. I'm gonna tell you, I gotta talk to you.
Yeah. That's TIA.
Everybody get in the picture. Just another pass.
Try it. Who put him into a real man? Try like that. I know. Try like that.
Yes, family, we're here in Kumasi. And we have a good
Cheddar cheese right here.
Show them the tattoos. Show the tattoos.
Cheddar cheese right here. Uta represent the young 2G.
This man is an artist. An incredible artist. Show them your artwork.
It's my artwork. I do cheddar. I do this.
Now, how much does a classic paint like this come for?
Normally.
Yeah, that's 10.
It's 20 bucks.
These are all young entrepreneurs, businessmen, selling the arts and craft that's made in their country to our people from the diaspora.
I bought a car because of this nigga. It's blessed.
No,
I don't want to deal with it.
this is a family event.
Yeah. He helped me a lot. I appreciate it.
Now say hello to our friends. You're popular friends on Facebook.
Africa for Africa.
And you always
right
reach out
here.
to us.
We did it, we're gonna do it, nigga.
Remember our
We taking
brother?
it back.
Of course, he
We
wakes me up
taking
every
it
morning.
back. We taking it back. Africa is for Africa. You know what I mean?
Yes, of course. Albert and I are Facebook.
Yeah, Facebook.
We do business.
I don't do Facebook.
Albert, Albert, we do
I got
WhatsApp.
no business on
We do
Facebook.
WhatsApp.
What kind of work you do?
I got
Tell
no
our people
business
what you do
on
here.
Okay, I'm doing I do the paintings and after also have the African stuff like the dresses and some dashikis too. Yeah, this is my profession that I'm doing.
Let them know your name on Facebook.
I'm Albert. Yeah, Albert Watch. Right.
All right, well, appreciate your energy, brother. Well, family, we're gonna take a journey to the actual cloth and see the process of these stamps are done on the cloth. Come on with us.
I'll be back.
How you doing, man?
Pretty cool, I was coming up. You didn't think I was coming up.
What I want you to do, I want you to get a close up on the sign.
Okay.
Zoom in, brother, zoom in. Let me get you. Let's get you here a zoom. There we go, brother. Let's get you zoom in on the sign. So that's exactly what we're doing. People are making their own cloths with the Dinkra printing. All right, so let's show you the action. Hey, Bomani, so what's up, people?
No.
So are you gonna get a nice nigga cloth today? Right?
Shanty King, yeah. With the Shanty King. The Shanty King. The Shanty King. Okay. The Shanty King.
Yeah, big pack.
Yeah.
Can I get that part? Come on, brother, come on. As we take it into
Yes, sir. Nice. Black is still beautiful.
Black conscious. Keep it strong, family.
Boss man, come on, boss.
Yo, bro.
Family, look at the array of beautiful cloths. Come in, brother, and give everybody a feel of all the colors.
Oh, why? Oh, sorry.
Some beautiful colors.
That's why Ntonso is very popular. A lot of people buy a lot of different cloths in shop here. Show my background on that side. And
Sorry, Dad. This is the best friend. Yeah.